Unveil a new dawn of hydration with the Crystala Filters Replacement for Bosch Ultra Clarity Pro Water Filter. A true sentinel standing guard over the purity of your water. This remarkable 3-pack, a veritable trio of guardians, is meticulously engineered to fit a galaxy of models, including Bosch 50, 12,033,030, 11,025,825, 12,028,325, Bosch 55, WFC 100 mf, and WFS 200 mf. Each filter is a beacon of cleanliness, a silent promise that every glass you pour will be as crisp and refreshing as a mountain spring, and as clear as a cloudless summer sky. Crystala Replacement for Bosch 12,033,030 is more than a mere product. It is a commitment to a healthier lifestyle, a testament to the fact that clean water is not a luxury but a fundamental necessity. Therefore, with every installation, you are not just replacing a filter. Rather, you are renewing your family's access to the very essence of life, unblemished by impurities. Furthermore, the installation process is as swift and effortless as a gentle breeze, ensuring that your journey to pristine hydration is free from any unnecessary friction or delay. Ultimately, this is a product that doesn't just work. It performs a symphony of purification, leaving you with water that is a masterpiece of taste and clarity. This is a deep dive into the technology of purification, where science and serenity converge to create something truly special. For instance, the multi-layered filtration system acts like an intricate labyrinth, trapping and eliminating unwanted contaminants, thereby leaving you with nothing but the purest H2O. Consequently, it removes chlorine and a host of other undesirable elements, transforming tap water from a murky pond into a pristine lake. Moreover, the long-lasting nature of each filter means that you can enjoy months of impeccable water quality without the constant hassle of replacements. Crystala Replacement for Bosch 12,033,030 stands tall as a paragon of efficiency and a monument to reliable performance. Indeed, its very design is a testament to the principle that greatness lies in the details. However, it is not just about what it takes out, but also about what it leaves behind, the essential minerals that are vital for your health and well-being. Accordingly, this is a filter that works with your water, not against it, preserving the good while banishing the bad. In conclusion, this is an investment in your health, a simple yet powerful step towards a more vibrant and energetic life, offering a purity that is both seen and tasted. The final word on the matter is that this is not just a replacement part. It is an upgrade to your entire water experience. A silent revolution taking place right inside your refrigerator. The 3-pack ensures that you are always prepared, a foresight that keeps the fountain of purity flowing uninterruptedly. Furthermore, the compatibility of this filter is a testament to its universal appeal, a key that unlocks a world of clean water for a wide range of Bosch appliances. Therefore, when you choose Crystala Replacement for Bosch 12033030, you are choosing a product that has been crafted with care and built to last. For instance, think of it as a silent guardian, a watchful sentry that works tirelessly in the background, ensuring that every drop you consume is a drop of perfection. Ultimately, this product embodies the fusion of form and function, delivering a sleek design that houses a powerful and effective filtration system. This is the promise of Crystala, water that is a reflection of its name, as clear and precious as a crystal. Thus, with this simple change, you can transform your everyday routine into a ritual of health and well-being. Pros: high quality, affordable price, excellent performance, noticeable change in taste. Water tastes the same, easier to take out and put in, cheaper than official brand, work just as good. Perfect fit for Bosch, Filter quality is amazing, unobstructed water flow, value for the money. Is unbeatable, cost-effective alternative, work great, easily installed, exactly what I need. Decent product cons. Ice maker might stop working, only lowered ppm by 5 features. Compatible with Bosch Ultra Clarity Pro, model numbers. Borfter 50. 12,033,030 additional models. 11,025,825. 12,028,325 more models. Borfter 55. WFC 100MF, final model compatibility. WFS 200MF, quantity. 3-pack, purpose. Replaces Bosch water filter, easy to install and use. The Crystala Filters 3-pack offers an affordable replacement for Bosch Ultra Clarity Pro water filters. Compatible with numerous model numbers including Borfter 50, 12,033,030, 11,025,825, 12,028,325, Borfter 55, WFC 100MF, and WFS 200MF. Designed for easy installation and use. These filters serve as a direct substitute for the original Bosch filters, providing a convenient solution for maintaining clean water. Based on the provided reviews, the Crystala filters are a highly regarded and cost-effective alternative to the official Bosch water filters. Users consistently praise their excellent performance, noting a significant improvement in the taste of their water. The filters are easy to install and fit perfectly in Bosch refrigerators, ensuring a seamless replacement process. The value for the money is considered unbeatable, as they are much cheaper than the official brand but work just as well. While the majority of feedback is positive, a few users have reported minor issues, such as a slight drop in water quality, only lowering the ppm by 5, or the potential for the ice maker to stop working. Overall, the filters are seen as a high-quality, reliable, and budget-friendly option.